नमस्कार जय माँ काली समस्तंकर मंगल करने सहित उन्नत चिंताधारा आणंतु जेपरी अज्ञान रूपक अंधकार दूर होई ज्ञानर आलोक प्रज्वलित हेउ। आर यू लुकिंग टू बाय फ्लैट? आर यू वांट टू बाय योर ड्रीम होम? So what will be happen to the quality and warranty after bought it? What do I do once getting dispute or litigations? Is my investment going wrong? No. Hey, stop thinking now. Don't worry friends, today's video is only for you. Wait and watch, we will clear all the misconceptions. Now your investments are always safe and you can get your dream home openly. AI Corporate Engineers तरफरु मु आनंदजय स्वागत करूची आमर प्रिय चैनल AICE-Engineers ओडिशा रियल इस्टेट रेगुलेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट रूल्स एंड गाइडलाइन इन फेवर ऑफ द होम बायर एज पर द ORERA गाइडलाइन 2017। आजिर टॉपिक को आउ थरे सुनि नियंतु। रूल्स एंड गाइडलाइन इन फेवर ऑफ द होम बायर एज पर द ORERA गाइडलाइन 2017। तो फ्रेंड्स बिना स्किप रे वीडियोटी देखंतु। जो माने रियल इस्टेट रे निज स्वअर्जित इन्वेस्टमेंट करूछंती आउ स्वप्नर घर किणुछंती तो ORERA रो गाइडलाइन विषय जानी सजग हे जानतु। व्हाई ORERA? In Odisha, the Odisha Real Estate Regulatory Authority, that is the ORERA, ensures the fair real estate transactions and transparent dealing between the builders and home buyer under the proper guideline in favor of the home buyer. We are going to know basic functions of the RERA in Odisha. Odisha RERA. Yes, the boss of all real estate stops in Odisha. We know managing the transaction and project in better way. Hence for ORERA, let's make the real estate market efficient, transparent and competitive. Let's make sure the plots and apartments are sold fairly and openly, protecting the rights of the home buyer and real estate developers, providing a system for quick resolutions of disputes, maintaining a website with details on all the registered real estate projects, and online platform is there for filing complaints. Hence, no fear, Odisha RERA is here. ताहाले आम स्वप्नर घर किनिबारे किछि असुविधा नाही। रियल इस्टेट रे इन्वेस्टमेंट बिना डर रे करिबा। वीडियो को बिल्कुल भी स्किप करंतुनी आ धैर्यर सहित देखंतु। एबे चिंता करिवार समय गला। कोर्ट कचेरी रे आ चक्कर काटिबाको पड़िबनी काहेकि ना ORERA रियल इस्टेट ग्राहक पई आनिछि नुआ नियम जहा ग्राहकंकर सपक्ष रे ही रहिबो। आगकू आमे घर किनिबा पूर्वरु कोन जानिबा आवश्यक। Before buying a dream home, what should we check? 1. CIN, that is the corporate identification number of the builder or promoter, and we should check the project ORERA number. 2. Ask for a copy of Form B as a registration of the project as Rule 5. 3. Ask the super built up area and carpet area. 4. Ask area efficiency. Area efficiency is the ratio of carpet area and super built up area. First, we should know the carpet area. Actual area you use, call the carpet area, the area on which you can put a carpet. On right hand side, please focus on the video from where you can easily understand carpet area, built up area and super built up area. What is the built up area? On point 6, built up area is equal to carpet area plus area of the wall and ducts, around 10% more than the carpet area. Sometimes a terrace is considered as a half the actual area of the calculating built up area. Some projects charge dry terrace same as the internal rooms. 7. Super built up area. Built up area plus space like lift, passage or corridor and staircase or common area is called as the super built up area. You can also include the duct area in super built up area. Friends, now you can derive the area efficiency from super built up area and carpet area. If any doubts, please let us know in comment. Hope you may better understand through this video. And you can pause the video or take the screenshots if you need to. 8. Ask for the specifications of the constructions with quality plan. And keep it safe until you get your the dream home, or else you may get cheated by builders. 9. Flat area efficiency for home buyer typically range from the 67% to 70% of the usable space. However, values outside this range may not represent a sound investment. So please keep in mind in the terms of the area efficiency before buying a dream home. Carpet area divided by super built up area multiplied with the 100 is equal to percentage of the area efficiency. A preferable range in between of the 67 to 70%. Example, for a 1000 square feet built up area purchase, the usable area is approximately 670 to 700 square feet. The super built up area encompassing features like the parapets, podiums and garden is included in the market price and may comprise up to 30% of the total area. Legally, property sales must be based on the carpet area, as developers don't pay the floor space index, that is the FSI, or floor area ratio, that is the FAR charges for such a area as a garden or parking. Charging for anything beyond the carpet area is unlawful and the consumers are eligible to file a complaint with the Consumer Protection Act. Friends, contact us with any real estate complaint regarding the Consumer Protection Act. We are here for you and you can find our the mail ID in description. Now, rules and guideline in favor of the home buyer. 1. The builder shall confirm the final carpet area that has been allotted to the home buyer after the constructions of the building and the occupancy certificates. Occupancy certificate based on the structural stability report and other certificates as norms of the Odisha government. In high-rise building, vetting report is the most important part. Structural stability reports also based on the workmanship as per the drawing or as per the vetting reports. 2. If there is any reductions in the carpet area within the defined limit, then the builder shall refund the excess money paid by the home buyer within the 45 days with annual interest. For this point, we deserve 1 like. So friends, don't think more, for you ORERA is here. 3. The price of the house includes recovery of the price of land, constructions of common areas, internal development charges, external development charges, taxes, cost of the providing electric wiring, fire detection and fire fighting equipments in the common area, etc., and include the cost for the providing all other facilities as provided within the project. Hence, no extra cost towards above beyond the carpet area. Remember, there is no extra cost towards above beyond the carpet area. It should not be charged extra for the internal and external development job. 4. The builder shall provide the time schedule for completing the project and handing over the apartment to the home buyer and the common areas to the associations of all the home buyers after receiving the occupancy certificate or the completion certificate or both, as the case may be. Hence, builder liable to pay compensations if fail to provide the possessions in time. All the home buyer rights to get the compensation once builder fails to provide the possession as per the time schedule. Please remember. 5. In case of the home buyer fails to take the possession within the time provided from builders, such home buyer shall continue to be liable to pay maintenance charges as applicable to the builder. Home buyer have to pay maintenance charges to the builder. 6. Home buyer can cancel the flat allotments at any time by losing the such a booking amount. 7. The builder shall provide the warranties on the plot, construction workmanship and common area facilities. So home buyers should think twice before cancelling their units, because you are losing the booking amount. Today's video is going to be valuable on rules and guidelines in favor of the home buyer. So friends, don't skip the video and watch continuously. Eight. The builder shall be responsible to provide and maintain essential services in the project till the taking over the maintenance of the project by the associations of the all home buyers. The cost of such maintenance has been included in the total price of the apartment. Point 9 and last. In case any structural defect or any other defect in the workmanship, quality or provisions of the services or any other obligations of the builders as per the agreement for sale relating to such development is the brought to the notice of the builders within a period of 5 years by the home buyers from the date of handing over or possessions. It shall be the duty of the builders to rectify such defects without further charges within 30 days. Hence, defect liability periods on the workmanship by the builders is 5 years. Remember, defect liability period is the 5 years. समय हो जाइछि आमर ए छोट प्रयास आपण मानकु निहाती भल लागिथिबो आउ आशा करूछु आपण माने वीडियो को शेयर करिवे एमिति आपण माने आम सहित जोड़ी हेकि थांतु न्यू एजुकेशनल वीडियो पई आमकु सपोर्ट करंतु।